Experiencing issues with your Starlink mesh nodes not connecting? You're not alone. Many users encounter problems during initial setup with range and signal or network configurations. This section covers common issues and step-by-step solutions to get your mesh network running smoothly. The three most common categories of mesh node connectivity issues are initial setup failures, range and signal problems, and network configuration issues. Let's address each of these systematically. First, ensure your Starlink app is updated to the latest version. A factory reset of the mesh node is often the best starting point. Hold the reset button for 10 seconds until the LED indicators cycle through their startup sequence. After the reset, use the Starlink app to reinitiate the setup process. This must be done within 5 minutes of the reset for optimal results. The Starlink app is your primary tool for mesh node setup. Make sure you have the latest version installed. Use the Add Mesh Node feature and complete the entire setup process without interruption for best results. Optimal placement is crucial for mesh node connectivity. Position nodes within 30 to 50 feet of the primary router. Elevating nodes 3 to 6 feet off the ground significantly improves signal propagation. Avoid placing nodes near walls, metal objects, and sources of electromagnetic interference. Common interference sources include microwaves, baby monitors, and Bluetooth devices. Electronic devices operating on similar frequencies can interfere with mesh node connectivity. Keep nodes away from microwaves, Bluetooth devices, and baby monitors. These devices can significantly impact signal quality and connection stability. If setup continues to fail, verify this troubleshooting checklist. Ensure your app is updated, factory reset is completed, nodes are optimally placed between 30 to 50 feet from the router and elevated, and all interference sources have been identified and removed. Following these steps resolves most mesh node connectivity issues. When your Starlink mesh nodes are connected but performing poorly, the first step is to assess signal strength using the built-in tools. Next, identify dead zones in your coverage area. These are locations where devices struggle to maintain stable connections or experience significantly reduced speeds. Wi-Fi interference from other devices can significantly impact performance. Use a Wi-Fi analyzer app to identify congested channels and switch to clearer frequencies. For advanced network optimization, configure custom DNS servers. Popular options include Cloudflare's 1.11.1 and Google's 8.8.8.8, which can improve browsing speed and reliability. Keep your mesh network firmware up to date across all nodes. Enable automatic updates during low usage hours to ensure optimal performance and security. For challenging environments with thick walls or long distances, consider using Ethernet backhaul. This provides a wired connection between nodes for maximum stability and performance. By implementing these optimization strategies, from signal assessment to advanced configuration, you can significantly improve your Starlink mesh network's performance and reliability.